In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Airtable to automate your tasks and streamline your workflow. First, you'll want to head over to the home page of your Zapier account. If you don't have one already, go ahead and create an account. It's a handy tool for connecting various apps without needing any coding skills. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, you'll look for the option to create a new Zap. A Zap is like a small task or action plan that automates your workflow. Click on Zap to start creating. Next, you'll be prompted to set up a trigger. This is essentially what initiates your automated workflow. In the search bar, type in Airtable to find and integrate it into your news app. Once it appears, select it. You'll then need to choose an event within Airtable that will serve as your trigger. This might be a new record being created or an update to an existing one. Simply select the option that triggers when a record is created or updated. This choice is usually the best for dynamic workflows that rely on changes within your data tables. Now it's time to connect your Airtable account to Zapier. Click on Connect Airtable and follow the prompts to enter your credentials or approve any permissions needed. During this process, make sure to click on Add All Resources to ensure Zapier can access everything it needs in Airtable. You'll then click Grant Access to allow Zapier to work with your Airtable data. With permissions sorted, the next step is to set up exactly what happens every time the trigger goes off. Go ahead and click on Configure in Zapier. Here you'll be able to choose which value from your Airtable fields will be part of the trigger. Start by clicking Choose Value and selecting Any to ensure the Zap is wide-reaching and picks up on any relevant changes. You'll do this a couple of times as there are several configurations available for each field. When prompted, choose Auditions if you're working in a table related to that, or select a corresponding value that reflects your specific base. Once done, move to Highlight, which tells the Zap exactly what data changes it should be on the lookout for. Next, you want to make sure everything is working smoothly. Click on Test to ensure your newly created Zap functions as expected. If all looks good, proceed by clicking Test Trigger. This will provide a final confirmation layer to check that the actions activate correctly based on your input. If the test is successful, your integration is complete, and your automation is ready to improve your productivity by handling tasks seamlessly behind the scenes. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to integrate Zapier with Airtable, enhancing your workflow with automation.